Hey everyone, get ready for some serious chocolatey fun today. We're making the most amazing super simple chocolate chewies that everyone will adore. They're perfect for little hands and big smiles. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need some melted butter, sugar, a couple of eggs and a splash of vanilla extract. Don't forget the cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor, and a little flour, baking powder, and salt. Now for the fun part. In a bowl, whisk together your melted butter and sugar until it's nice and smooth. Then, crack in those eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Add your vanilla next. Next, gently fold in your dry ingredients, the cocoa powder, flour, baking powder and salt. Mix until just combined. We don't want to overmix, just enough to bring it all together into a lovely thick batter. Spoon your delicious batter onto a baking sheet. You can make them as big or small as you like. Pop them into a preheated oven for just a few minutes. Keep an eye on them. They'll be soft and chewy when ready. Once they're out, let them cool down a bit. The hardest part is waiting, I know. These chocolate chewies are so wonderfully fudgy and delicious. They're a perfect treat for any time.